Hello everybody. Welcome to Lantu Ebike. This is our best-selling model, 20-inch step-through fat tire electric bike. It is equipped with 500-watt Bafang hub motor, 48 voltage 14-ampere lithium battery with Samsung cells, hydraulic front fork, oil disc brake, LCD display 7-speed Shimano derailleur, which give you perfect riding experience. Let us make a detailed introduction about 6 km mode this time. What is 6 km mode? The data show that the average walking speed of normal people is about 5 to 7 km per hour. The 6 km mode means the bike is under the walk condition, while it will have a cruise speed of about 6 km per hour, 4.5 to 7.5 km per hour according to different road conditions. The 6 km mode can help you push your e-bike effortlessly, especially when you wheel the bike uphill, which will save you a lot of effort. When the bike stops, long press the button for 3 seconds to enter 6 km per hour mode. Walk will show up on the screen. Long press button again or short press button will quit 6 km per hour mode. Any questions, please contact us in time. We will provide you the quality of bikes and best service. Thank you for your watching.